came to support the Lithuanian guy. So your friend is not here anymore? Did he just left? Your brother-in-law? Yeah. I wonder if he just... Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay. There we go. Yeah, your brother-in-law Tom, I don't see him at all anywhere.
Oh, he has left. I didn't know that.
Well, he came and said hi and everything, and that's it, right? And then he canceled?
I don't know his mindset.
No.
You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, it's okay. We don't want that too, you know. We don't need that. Like, but it's just so sad because you can help him so much, we can help him so much. It's sad, but that's what he chooses to do. You know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I have helped him, but he don't want to learn. He have to study more, but he he won't. He don't have that. How do you say?
Like the mindset. The mindset. Yeah. That's okay. You know. And then you can't help people that don't want to be helped either. You know. That's okay. 100%. Yeah. Today with stocks, what only thing I saw today was SMCI. SMCI, it's pretty loud out there. Can you see that? I'm not gonna trade it because it's Friday. But the one thing that I saw, this SMCI. Yeah. The SMCI was doing, so let's see financials. See, you want to watch, I don't know, yeah, it does show the 20, make sure it's 20 billion on it, right? So you want to make sure it's a little bit bigger. It's only 90.93, okay. See the earnings, they hit it, miss it, kind of miss it, and okay, so August 11. Okay, so must be something bigger than earnings, because they're just screaming, right? I know they're doing some kind of contract together with AMD. That I was reading this morning. So we're not gonna trade it, but we'll check like at the end of the day or an hour after open, see what happens with SMCA. Okay. See right here, yeah, I think that's what I see. Can you see this? Yeah, I see. So I think it's like, I looked at my chart like on my phone, which is a smaller chart. So it's a bullish breakout from falling wedge. So we had a big push and then we fall down. We kind of pushed back to 30, and I think it's setting it up with the bull flag. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's why. See, everybody sees the same thing. The same thing. See, right here too. Yeah. So we'll watch it like just for learning purposes, obviously. Yeah. For learning purposes. Yeah, see, everybody sees the same thing. Same thing. Breaking out, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we'll watch it, see what happens.
Yeah, we watch it.
Yeah, because if you look at the settings, it's literally screaming. And SMCA, it's not a big company to be screaming like that. And hymns. Okay, and okay, so there's the watch list for today. I'm not gonna do the analysis, but we'll watch it when we have a chance, so we can write it down. SMCI and hymns. Hymns is the company, huh?
I was watching him.
The chart.
Yes, I was watching him, and I have followed that.
Yeah, so let's watch it. Like, we're not gonna, trade it, but let's watch it because those two today, SMCI, it's just for to study for us,
Yeah.
Yeah, see, someone says in the channel, someone says, "Good morning, Ellie." So, Illy, I was saying the two things are screaming today is hymns and SMCI. Yeah, good morning. Are we gonna get a bounce at 600 or no? That might be a dangerous long. Let's see. Yeah, good morning, everyone. It's Friday. Everybody's ready for Friday. Let's see if the market is ready for Friday. Did you see that? I'm exhausted, yeah. Tire Friday, yes. Did you see that? How markets sell off after like I get off the call with you guys, but it just sold off. I was like, dang. Imagine if you had your personal account and were able to hold it. Yeah, good morning, TikTok people. Yeah, you did it, yeah? Okay, with gold at an MQ. Emma Trader says, if anybody wants to recover their all losses, then DM me. I think we should all DM Emma Trader. What's up, team? We were just talking about like how the market sell off after I get off yesterday, and how you were perfectly correct on your analysis. I see EXO Tiffany Lynn joined. Is that the Tiffany that I know, or Melissa? What's Tiffany's TikTok? Is she's like EXO Tiffany Lynn or no? Yeah, it could be Recovery Friday. I think they want to leave it on a good note. Yeah. Hey, Tiffany. Is it Tiffany, the Tiffany we know Tiffany, or? Yeah. Was she just crawling and then scrolled through, or she's here? Well, if you're here, Tiffany, say hi. See, good thing I didn't get trapped. See, normally here at 600, would I get trapped? Right, so that will be normally my trade because go over the 9 and I'm ready to go, but I am sure glad I didn't go, because even if you look at the 5 minutes, you see how they try to fake out the 600, right? So they try to fake out the 600, like a lot of orders sitting here and watching the orders. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't get faked out. Melissa, give me a rose. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. See there, Because I was recording yesterday on here. Let's see. I removed that I had the goal that how much people wanted to follow me goal, but it's okay. See, now the channel showed up. Yeah. So I know, Fusca, you just joining. We looked up at the scanner. So if you want to write it down just to watch purpose for study purposes, SMCI and HIMSS. I'm gonna write it out, and we're just gonna watch it and see what happens today. There you go. Okay, true. If I gets my respect once again. You had a back card. Yep. That's good. They're good. Yeah, I think they're good. They just, systems fail. It happens. No big deal. Supporting Lithuanian traders. Support for Lithuanian traders. Thank you so much. Actually, you guys, yeah. I love when you spoke stock. Yes. Stocks, that's not my strength. I understand you guys not there, but I would like to show you all my knowledge about stocks. But Woodlegs Group, thank you so much for supporting Lithuanian traders. We have some Lithuanian traders in the group too. We are strong, stubborn, and prideful traders. If you have to describe Lithuanian and traders altogether, that'd be us. That's a crazy sell-off. So there's no way to get in. There's sample. I guess you can short it here. Yeah. No, I'm actually in California, so I'm at Pacific time. But we have some Lithuanians. We have some Lithuanian traders in our group. Yep. That's the Asia. We have an Asia guy. He doesn't want to be called a Lithuanian guy. He called Chicago. Yeah, I think our Asia guys in that area too. So it's a lot of Lithuanians in Chicago. Yes, I love this movie. This is my favorite book ever. You're so smart. You're so kind. You're important. Yes, my brother always says this line for me. It's like Illy knows my inside jokes. Yes, exactly. Happy Friday, fam. Dico, you just joining, so from the stocks, we'll check later on SMCI and HIMSS. Thank you for sharing the stream. I appreciate that. And because I am, speaking of being Lithuanian, I think I don't want to say approach or whatever, but a Czechoslovakian girl, I think the queen, your mic is on. We would love to hear you speak. We good.
No, I'm sorry. I'm gonna be coughing. I do not want to hear that.
I figured, but I figured. I figured. So I think like my name, the Lithuanian trader, actually helps me out because this girl from Czechoslovakia kind of reached out. I don't know if she has a podcast or something. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but we'll see. Is he gonna recover or no? This is a fake out or is it recovery time? What do you guys say? Let's go over to 4 hours, see what happens. See, those are the numbers that we draw. This is why, what do you trade in MNQ? But on a personal, we also trade stocks. But I know stocks is not everyone's, yeah, I want you to come and help, yes. Stocks are not everyone's tea, so we do the prop farms, we do the MNQ, and then I'm hoping everybody gets a payout so I can help them with the stocks. That's the goal. So those are the levels that we had you guys drawn in on the team. We pointed out those levels earlier this week. So we did get the 650. We definitely did get the 650. And we've broken out the structure. The thing is, with doing the top-down analysis, if you trading prop firms, it's a little bit hard because we could see the levels and they might take a day or two to reach. All right, so we do obviously see the 300 right here because last time I tested out, it broke the VWAP, the 300, the 350, right? You see that? 450. Somehow they're the even levels. And then if we go to 1 hour, see that's beautiful. We draw this level out. Was it Tuesday, Wednesday? We saw that broke out of this channel. So we'll see if they want to test the lower right here, or they want to, like, they're already kind of doing the V-shaped recovery, right? So that's the 1 hour. See, I want to go long, just the time is wrong. That even rhymes. Yeah. So you see, that's the V-shaped recovery. So we sell off. So I do see this level too for the bulls, right? And for the bears, I do see this level too, which is, I'll call it our 435. And also if you like, we saw it on the 4 hours. Let's see. Yeah, so for the bears, I see the 400 level for sure, which is 200 points away. What time frame is that? We drew some ranges last night. Yeah, no, I saw it. Yeah. What do you trade? I trade in an MNQ. I explained today's setup on my profile. That's awesome. Yeah, so we don't want to recover. It's just accumulation to go down. Huh? This is 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah, no recovery. So for the bears, the 420, 28, 420, right? Yeah, the 2300 is possible too. Yeah. But we drew from that. Yeah. Okay. Did you post that on the levels, the NQ levels chat? In case someone wants to study. Yeah, of course. I think, yeah, because, some days I feel like too, like they don't watch it, they're watching it. Okay, we're back at the 600 that we want to break the 600. Yeah, we want. Yeah, okay, you do a video. You do whatever you want. See the 600 that I was eyeing, and they almost bull trapped me here. Now they want to break it. But the reason we're not taking the trade because it's 15 minutes before the open. So I wanted to go long here, right? You guys remember the 600? Okay. And now they want to break it because I see all the orders. I'm still trying to figure out for whatever. Yeah, you all see the 600, right? So I'm still trying to figure out why the Thinkorswim, my Microsoft is blocking my Thinkorswim. So I could show you the book map. See, there you go. That's the recovery we're looking for, but the reason not trading because it's only 12 minutes in the market. Ooh, Nick. They gave me 8 roses. I just totally ignored it. Nick, are you still here? I want to say thank you. He just comes in, gives me presents, and leaves. So can't ask for a better man than that, right? Nick, are you still here, or are you scrolling through and just giving gifts and flowers to everybody? Just for you. See, you are like, I don't know if you heard, it was like, you're a pretty good man. You come in, just give me gifts and, don't cost me any headaches. I mean, that's a pretty good guy, right? Oh, you were definitely raised right. Yeah, I still remember. I enjoy really talking to you. You definitely have a lot of respect for people. So we just breaking it down a little bit top down. And Nick, I'll give you, I don't know if you were here, since you give me all these presents, I'll give you a different present. We're watching hymns and SMCI today. So if you want to just take a peek, because I know you don't trade the New York Times, so if you want to take a peek. Yep, 6:07. The 600 is a decision time today. So yesterday was the 7:20. Today was today is the 600 decision time. But there's more pressure down than up. Do you guys agree? So interested in Bookmap and how that works. I agree. I like the type of man, not overstaying his. Nope, he's good. He's young, but he was raised right. And yeah, so we have the Microsoft to like my thing with swim. Everything was fine, and then when we turn off the computer, turn it back on, it still doesn't like it. So we're working on it, and I will incorporate in the trading. I mean, I'm already incorporating trading, but I want to show you guys. So once you start seeing, they give me the affiliate thingy too, but I don't want to do anything for you guys yet. I mean, tell you anything about it till I teach you first. Right? What's your strategy? My strategy is reversal. So I love reversal. So I wanted to get in right over here around 600 level. Almost got bull trapped. I get bull trapped a lot. And now it's still taking it down. So I wait for reversals in order for me to go for reversals. Many things have to happen. One of them is the simple things, right? I don't do smoking mirrors, big words. So RSI is one of them that I watch for, MACD and VWAP and 200. Right, so if they go when they all screaming, I always a lot of times say, oh, they're screaming, oh, they're showing strength, oh, they show the weakness. That's what I mean. And with the book map, I see if that more orders are up or more orders are down. Yeah. So you see that's a bull trap because they show you all the wicks, all the wicks, all the wicks, all the push through the 9, right? We got the push through the 9 and they trap you and then they go against you. And also the time of reversal is very important. Fib levels, yes, definitely. See, so you know what I'm talking about. So the fib levels are there, support and resistance, yes. Would like, so you in Lithuania? Oh no, that's right, you're in Chicago. You're in Chicago. So maybe you and Fusca can connect together too. But he's my Asia guy. Yeah, you should you should check my socials. I cannot say the names on here, but you can check my socials. I just posted he wants to be called Asia guy. Yeah, so he maybe can tell you in Lithuanian. Okay, you ready? Yeah. All right, listen to me, I'll say in Lithuanian. Okay, ready? Aš turiu kitoj tam, ne kur TikTokas yra, bet tas, kur Instagramas yra. Ir tenais aš parašiau, kaip kaip Fuska mūsų, jisai pas mus tą Asia daro ir jisai padarė vakar labai gerą trade, jeigu nori pasižiūrėti, yra ant tos 24 valandas tenais. That's how we fool algorithms. What are you gonna do with me? You're either gonna love me or hate me. No, actually gonna love me or love me. There you go. That's all you get to do. Ir tenais galėsi pamatyti, jeigu ką, aš susikontaktuosit kartu su Fuskai, dėl to, kad jūs gyvenate ten pat. Čikagai vis tiek kartu, tai. There you go. So if you want to follow our Asia guide, there's information for you. Good morning, Kona. We try to do the top-down analysis, but for stocks, we watching. I didn't post it because it's Friday and it's hard to chart on Fridays, but SMCI and HIMS are on the scanner or screening right now. So if you want to watch that. Yeah. You say you want to be called Asia guy, so there you go. We're calling you Asia guy, but we have another Lithuanian. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I post. So SMCI and HIMS are literally screaming. There you go. See, that's the 600, breaking the 600. See, that's a good reversal, but my team already knows why I'm not trading, even though it looks like a good reversal. I'm getting all the confirmations. It's over the 9 and all the time frames in 30 seconds and 5 minutes. Why am I not trading? Anybody typing? Why am I not trading this? And we all know what was that. There's two questions. What was that? Why was this big jump? And why am I not trading even though it's a perfect setup for me? Yep. Yep, she's right. Is she early or is she on time? She's on time. Yep. Yep. Perfect, Melissa. So there you go. See, my winning team already know what that means. And once again, it's inconvenient that we have point of control. She already took her trades. She's not here. She actually will be working. You guys claimed this one, right? You already claimed that one. She's working on the one that you see point of control and the lines. She's working for the team for that. Yeah, be problemų, tai nėra daug laiko, jie visiems nėra daug laiko, jie. Yep, knowing profiles, yep. So this is the point of control, right? Conveniently right before the open. And so we need to make sure that we don't get bull trap, which I do a lot. So I'm trying to be more careful. And it's Friday, right? So right before the open, it's Friday, but you see the recovery, right? You see the 5 minutes recovery, right? We see the W recovery in 30 seconds. We see the point of control. I know, Illy, you're going to be happy about this. Yeah, I already sent her all the information about you see, that one that I think she wants to recreate is the lines that is drawn automatically and the point of control. And point of control changes based on the time, right? So depending where you're trading. And then that will be a thing available, right? So, but she's going on vacation. So whatever time it takes her, they will be separated from this one. So that way you can turn it on and off. All right, 3 minutes to the open. We did not get trapped. Oh, see, we did not get trapped. Yeah, that's what I told her. I told her no rush. And so we're seeing the VWAP, okay, in different time frames. So when I say VWAP, so like 200, that's why we watch different time frames, right? Any questions for TikTok people at all?